Hello, I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows with a microbladed effect. First off, you set your eyebrows. I've used brow gel. If you don't have that, you can just use a styling gel. And then I'm going to take my translucent powder, use that to remove the excess oil around the brow. You don't need a lot, just a little bit, so that when you use the pencil to draw your eyebrow, it just goes in effortlessly. So I'm going to do the same for the other brow. When that is done, I'm going to take a black pencil. I use a black pencil because that is what I like to use. But if you don't like your eyebrows to come out too dark, or if you're a beginner, just go for a dark brown pencil. Davis number 3 is a good pencil to start with. So make sure your pencil is really sharp. Okay, like that. And then I'm going to start at the middle of the brow. Don't start at the like at the front of the brow, because it's going to make your eyebrows look boxy. I'm going to show you how you're going to do the front part of the brow. So starting at the middle, we're going to draw out our shape from the bottom and then the top. Okay. So now we have our outline, the top and the bottom part. I'm going to fill in the tail of the eyebrow and then proceed to the front part of the eyebrow. Use short motions, like short strokes. Don't shade. Okay, now that the end of the brow is done, we're going to proceed to the front part. Make sure your pencil is sharp once again. So if you need to sharpen your pencil 5, 6, 7, 8 times, do it, because that will make sure that your brows come out perfectly. So I'm going to sharpen my pencil, and then for the front part of the brow, we're going to be using upward short, like we're going to create hair strokes for the front part of the brow, so that we can have our microbladed brow effect. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. I'm resting my small finger over here so that I can have the most control of the pencil. Okay, just be patient. See that? use, see? Okay. I don't know if you can be able to see, but the effect that using the pencil gives at the front of the brow. So you don't want to go in shading, you just want to use short hair-like strokes to get that hair-like effect at the front of the brow. And now that's how you do a microbladed brow effect. You can see clearly how it has come out. It looks like we have microblading, but we don't. So I'm going to do the same for the other eye, and I'll be right back. So as you can see, I'm done with my brows, and you can't tell me that doesn't look like a microbladed brow. All with pencil. Yeah, so you can leave your brows like this if you are just going for a simple everyday look, or you can actually conceal them if you're going for a full makeup look. So if you stay tuned, I'm going to show you how I dress up these brows for an everyday makeup look without foundation and concealer.